Hello and very warm welcome. We want to speak today about guardrails. So this is one of the safeguards for large language models. And what guardrails are, so we will see. So first of all, we go here into guardrails. How you come here up to Bedrock, so you will type here in top of the console Amazon Bedrock, like this, and then you can choose it, and then you come out, and then you go here to guardrails. And Amazon Bedrock Guardrails are used to implement application-specific safeguards based on your cases and responsible AI policies. And we will see how they are actually evolving or how it's been done. So first we will give it a name. So my test guardrail, and then a short description for testing. And then you will at first say what the output of the model is when there is a block prompt. Sorry, the model cannot answer this question due to my guardrail. Okay, then you go to next. Oh, sorry, it has here a little bit issue with the name, no problem. So what we can do, we could have content filters. So enable detection and blocking of harmful user inputs. This we could do. So you see here, for instance, hate, insults, that it's all been blocked and how the threshold should be. Prompt attacks, enable to detect and block user inputs attempting to override system instructions. So prompt attack is a form of prompting to undertake the guardrails itself. So when you set different guardrails for your LLM, you can still try with prompts to undertake these guardrails, and this we want also to have. Content filters tier, choose your preferred model tier to balance performance. So we do here classic, go to next. And then we have here denied topic. We could have this here. So denied topic definition, a clear definition to detect and block user inputs. Input about Berlin or about the city Berlin. So as an input it's blocked, output also confirm. You saw also that you have the possibility to give even phrases. Then you can add word filters. It's also possible. Add a word or phrase, but this we keep now out. Sensitive information, so that there are no personal identifiable informations. Also this is possible. Contextual grounding checks, this we go to next. And review, it's all fine. And then create guardrail. Will shortly take a moment. Okay, now we can already use this here as a test, but we go back to our playground. We will select our model. In this case here again, a Nova Lite. And now we go here to guardrails. And here's our test guardrail. Give me some information about Berlin, about the city Berlin. And let's see. Sorry, the model cannot answer this question due to my guardrails. So this is actually the behavior which we wanted to have. Despite that we could put here now some harmful or hate content, which we didn't. We could use the word Berlin. So any input or output is prohibited. And this is what this guardrail is all about. And this in a production environment gives you the opportunity to set guardrails if that a user cannot give any certain inputs or it cannot generate any certain outputs, which is good because in this case you prevent that there's any harmful stuff inside or there's PII inside, personal identifiable information, and so on. So a great way with these guardrails to have some borders for your large language model. Okay, that's it. I hope you found this interesting, and I will see you in one of the next videos. Bye bye.